Madam Gina Acosta, ASEC Sunshine Fajarda, and Mr. Edward Fajarda. But I am in receipt of their letters stating that they have travel orders. So may I know, Mr. Chair, because I would like to find out whether the committee would accept the excuse letters or the reasons for their absence of Attorney Ortonio, Madam Villa del Rey, Madam Acosta. No, except for Madam Del Rey kasi nandito po siya, ASEC Sunshine Farda and Edward Farda. Are we going to disregard their excuse letter, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Yes,
In
Congressman
indulgence
Dan,
of Chairman Acop.
you're recognized.
Mr. Chairman, medyo panay worrisome na itong mga excuse letter that we are being accepted by this committee. I think they have a new scheme being employed by the resource persons. Before, sila yung mga nagpapa-hospital, sila yung nagbibigay ng different excuses. But this time, we need to validate this excuse of Miss Attorney Zuleika Lopez. As much as I wanted to believe her excuse, no? But I think yung pong aunt niya that is living in the United States can possibly stand on her own, especially the healthcare system of the United States. And the testimony of Zuleika Lopez is so crucial on this investigation. And if we were going to allow this excuse of her, then other resource persons might follow, no? And we're also running out of time because come December and January, we won't be able to conduct hearings anymore. So, I think, as much as I wanted to agree with the humanitarian reason that being employed by this letter, I think let's not accept this letter anymore, Mr. Chairman. They can always run. They can always run. But they cannot hide anymore, Mr. Chairman.